There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas. What's up, divas? What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's up? It's your girl A. You already know what time it is. We came to slay. Okay. Today I figured I was going to do my video right here in my little area. Sometimes I do like to change it up, even though it's in the same room. I'm really excited about this wig. I love anything easy. Over here in my house, we love a good easy anything. Okay. Well, let me just say this. My daughter Mumsy loves a good headband wig, and she and I have been fighting over a couple of my Myfirstwigs headband wigs. You know, you always got to do something for the kids, so I went ahead and gave up. Okay. Just let her keep the wigs. I feel like she did it justice anyway. Glad that she loves the headband wigs. I like the headband wigs. I like for my forehead to breathe. It's real hot out here in Arizona. Get hot, but I still want to look cute. My first wig went ahead and upgraded the whole entire cap for their headband wigs, which I'm really happy about because this will mean that a lot more people will want to wear them because they're more comfortable, more breathable, and baby, they'll fit even better and you won't have to worry about it slipping off or anything. The first headband wigs, they did come with the Velcro snatch in the back. For me, sometimes it will start irritating. Also would make my headband just feel a little bit more bunchy. They went ahead and changed the entire banding. This is like an elastic band. These are also removable as well. You can adjust, also do get a drawstring, so that way it'll definitely fit properly. Now, I do like this because it does come with the drawstring. It does come with the adjustable straps in the nape. It also comes with a new band, which I really am admiring because, girl, this will take a lot of pressure off your neck. It's not as thick and it's definitely not as hot. And it also does come with combs, 3 in the front. But if you also notice, the inside cap is breathable now. It also looks like to me that the actual banding is a little bit thicker. Now, I love a good wig. I love a good lace wig. I love a good full wig, but I definitely love a good headband wig. Girl, I need my head to breathe. I need my hairline to breathe. I figured I would cut my hair out like this in the front because I wanted to see how it would look if I kept my little curly bang out with the headband wig. You know, I'm just trying to try something different. But also I want to show you guys the difference on how it fits each person's head. For this video, me and Mumsy are going to try this wig out. Okay.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry, you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose, yeah. I just wanna be loved. That's really good for you, yeah. Everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable, yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know.
Okay, you guys, so my thoughts on this unit. The wig cap fits really good. Honestly, I like the elastic band in the nape versus the Velcro. The Velcro can get a little bit bulky in the nape area depending on where it's placed. So that's the reason why I like to put the Velcro underneath the cap after I've, fastened it together. Also, it'll help with the irritation on your neck. But this one fits really good. The drawstring was definitely cool to have, but the fact that it's breathable is great. But girl, look at this curly hair, okay? Honey, let's talk about this curly hair. I love curly hair, and this headband wig is definitely full, okay? Yes, this is some beautiful hair. Last night I did condition. I co-washed the unit so that way the curls could come out more natural looking versus when they come packaged. But the hair never ceases to amaze me. None of the units ceases to amaze me with my first wigs. Girl, they always be coming through. What do you mean? It's my room. I didn't have privacy. It's my room.
You did have privacy because I wasn't in here.
So you want me to go?
Yeah.
What? What do you mean?
I
This
like
is
privacy.
Well, this is my room. What the
You
hell?
give me privacy for my trial.
Oh my God! The first time I did it, but I'll go. I'll go to your bathroom and do my ponytail. My
Thank
God.
you.
Jesus Christ, I can't stand the kid. I'm just trying to fix my hair. Hot ass look.
Hi guys. So I'm gonna be taking over. I'm gonna be trying on the wig now next. So I had to loosen it because guys, I have a big head. So if we want this to work, we're gonna have to make it very fitting. So this is how I do mine. I do it. Take it like this. Take the front. I'm looking in the mirror on the side. And now I just wedge her up in there. Take the other side. Stab her up in there. Might stab a few cells. That's fine. At least the wig is slayed and done. Take the other side. Stab a couple more brain cells, but that's okay. At least I look good. This is what I do next. I flip my head over. I don't know if I can see me. I flip my head over. This nice little band. We're gonna tighten that. We're gonna take this little adjustment piece, scrunch that up to my big head. Then we're gonna take it, tuck it under, take the other piece and tuck it under. Now she's on. Now, the headband part, she's already pushed back. We'll flip back up, actually. There we go. I'll be so short, I gotta keep ducking my head to look in the camera. She's so short, I gotta break my neck to make sure I'm in frame. Take your headband and you just put it over. Like so. And there you go. There you have it. I don't know. Big headbands make my head look big, but that's okay. Honestly, the one I wear and this one, they feel the same. I don't know, guys. I don't do wigs. I just put them on. I don't even put on real wigs. I mean, headband wig. A wig is a wig. Headband wig or lace front wig. I just put them on my head. So I don't know what's good and what's not good. But I mean, the head cap, I will say it feels more snug on my head. It feels like it's not gonna fly off. Like, let's say I get in a fight with Tanisha, she's definitely not taking this off or pulling it off. So it's definitely, I like it. I like all the adjustments to it. I like how it very snugs on the person's head so it don't fall off. It's very breathable cap because I sweat a lot. I sweat in like 0.5 seconds. So this is great for my head. Very nice, breathable, very, very nice. It's very diverse. Small head, big head, medium-sized head, micro-sized head, very diverse to all head shapes. So I like it a lot. And it's nice. It's a pretty color. It's a nice texture. And I just look cute. I don't lie, y'all. I just look cute with it on my head. So yeah, it's nice. That's all I got. But it's cute. New wig to my collection. I'm stealing this one too. I'm stealing this one too, guys. She don't know yet though, but I'm taking this one too. But very cute, very nice.
I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison cause it makes me feel less than. Striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me